heavy bus, runway 26 right, for the land. Delta 2750, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, Delta 2750.
276, that's good west move.
Scandinavian 99 heavy land tower at 26 right, for the land. Delta 1693, contact departure, good day.
Departure, 1693.
Kinger 205 Tango cross 26 right at the approaching, Bravo 26 left.
Roger that, cross 26 right, Bravo to 26 left. Mind your fingers.
Gemini 4629 on after MPass, 1026 left, please take off.
On to MPass, runway 26 left, please take off, Gemini 4629.
Scandinavian 929, turn left Bravo, hold short, runway 26 left at Delta.
Left on Bravo, hold short, left on left, up Gemini 929.
That was 5040, visual 26 right.
Blue Street 5040, car 26 right, for the land, flash by Trimmer, freeze route, heavy bus.
Clear to land, 26 right, for 5040.
Delta 503, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, Delta 503.
Scandinavian 99, cross run 26 left, and hold short ramp 6 north.
Cross 26 left, hold short ground, Gemini 929.
Scandinavian 929 heavy, contact ramp 3137.
3137,
Blue Street 5040, taxi Bravo Victor, ground point 9 on Victor.
Bravo Victor, ground point.
Pin 08, R92 Snuffy, runway 20, or correction 26 left, clear to take off.
Take up 26 in front of Snuffy, I'm
Delta 3063, land tower, runway 26 left, line of way.
Runway 26 left, line of the way, Delta 3063.
Southwest 425, line tower, 28017, goes 21, runway 26 right, clear to land. Taxi to the west, hello. 356, taxi Bravo, Victor, ground point 9 or over.
Bravo Victor, ground point 9, Victor, United 356.
867.
Runway 27 left, turn left. Good up, Charlie 56, use caution, Delta 1756 ahead of you. Bravo 2, cross 126 left, join Echo, ground point 9, turn holds.
Alright, clear 26 left, cross at Bravo 2, join Echo, ground point 9, Delta 403.
Busiest 6306 Heavy, thanks for making that turn, taxi Alpha Ford and me.
Alpha to Park, safety UP 5306 heavy.
Still 267, contact Park.
2676, good day.
Southwest 2707 on that end, excellent, see this one, clear straight up.
So UP 5306 heavy, we're going to be entering through Alpha 13.
Approved. On the wind 28016, 127 left, clear line.
.51, cross runway 26 left at Bravo 2, turn right on Echo and contact ground point 9. On Bravo 2, cross 26 left, turn right on.
04 on hello, wind 28017, gusting to 23, only 27 left, clear line. 1013 at Tango now, cross runway 27 right there, Lima, ground point 75, taxi and hold.
Jet 246, make the right at Alpha 4, and then a right on Alpha to the ranch. You can stay with me.
Right up forward, right up forward.
So 1550, Atlanta Tower, 28014, gust 23, runway 26 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 26 right.
3032, monitor 123.85.
So 725, traffic will hold, cross 26 left at Bravo 2, join Echo, ground point 9. 27. Bravo 2, Echo point 9. So 6532, tower 26 left, on the traffic is down to it.
33, line wind 2013, gust to 19, okay, so back.
Traffic 2 out, cross 26 right at Charlie, turn right on Bravo.
Charlie, cross 26 right on Bravo, turn 13.
370 exit Bravo 3, and then you'll taxi Bravo Victor, ground point 9 on Victor.
That should be a bus.
Boys on that now.
That was 1803, taxi to the black 7 and hold so on the 2 to the left. Once you're 3600, minus the tower on 119.3.
Hold short of runway 26 left at Bravo 4.
Short of 26 left at Bravo 4, turn 13.
26 heavy, hold short runway 26 left at Bravo 2. RNAV, Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, RNAV.
2939, Atlanta Tower, 26 left, line of point.
2939, line of point, 26 left.
Bravo Victor, ground bomb Victor, point 9. Bravo Victor, correct. At 826, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left. Takeoff.
Delta 826, RNAV, Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left.
So the 3171, Atlanta Tower, left, line up and wait.
Left line, wait, look first.
Up 294 heavy left on Bravo, hold short of Charlie.
Bravo short, Charlie, Delta 6.
The 519 connect departure today.
Over the departure, have a go on Delta 519.
2939 RNF, Snuffy, 26 left, good takeoff.
2939 RNF, Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left.
5059 Atlanta Tower, 26 left, line up and wait. 294 heavy now, hold short, runway 26 left at Delta.
Hold short, 26 left at Delta, Delta 6.
3171, connect departure, y'all, good one.
Departure, man.
659, connect departure, y'all, good one. 3027, make the left on Bravo, cross 26 left at Bravo 4, and then echo ground point.
Left on Bravo, that's cross 26 left at Bravo 4, and then echo ground point 9 to 3027.
6 left, line up and wait, traffic's downfield, caution wake, turbulence should be through the pass of the heavy 330.
Our trying to be turbulent, 26 left line, wait, Delta 3180.
The 3180 RNAV, Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
6 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 3180.
Runway 4085, visual 26 right.
Onboard 4085 Atlanta Tower, wind 290.15, gust 20, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Runway 26 right, clear to land, runway 4085.
Short runway 27 left, Tango.
1804 Tower 1290 at 15, Delta 20, runway 27 left for the land. 1816, monitor 123.85 good day. 1413, monitor 123.85 good day. 1323, monitor 123.85 good day. There's 2982. And Sierra Fox cut out indicates 2,000 feet per speed to be approach on the runway 2827 left and 26 right.
Maybe 10 RNAV impact, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV impact, 26 left, let's take off, Delta 1.
That's 212 kind of part.
What's that, Jeff? Control.
Descent to Victor Luke, 2. Descent to tank to Victor Luke. American 1225 on tower, 26 left on way.
Okay, right, 45 is AJ 26 right.
Okay, 45 on the tower, crash Victor, performance here, day 9, runway 26 right, clear to land, wind 290 at 12. You got about a 40 knot overtake.
26 right, and we'll caution wind surface from there, 45.
Okay, 45, you are clear to land, runway 26 right, on a right turn off Delta or Charlie if you can. Okay, 45, I never heard the clearance, verify clear to land, runway 26 right.
Yes, sir, clear to land, 26 right, Victor, right, 45, caution wind surface.
Thank you, American 1225, RNF Snuffy, runway 26 left for takeoff.
United 1259, RNAV Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left, and 1259.
Good Delta 839, contact the Atlanta departure. Man.
Departure Delta 839, right there.
You too.
The 1494, hold 239 Tango. Plus 239 Tango, Lima, contact ground point 150.
Confirm tower Delta 1330, you say RNF Snuffy, correct?
You know what, you're right. RNAV is Snuffy, I appreciate that.
Thank you very much. So clear for takeoff Delta 1330, RNF Snuffy.
Thank you. Delta 1646 tower, line up and wait 26 left.
Line up and wait 26 left, Delta 46.
Frontier 2911, right November, and then hold short 27 right at November 5.
Tower,
Delta 2668 tower, line up and wait 26 left.
Planespotting for 26 left, Delta 2668.
827 right, join Mike, ground point 75, good day. So 3041 Atlantic Tower, 131015, runway 27 left, clear to land 2, you're slightly left.
Delta 1646, contact departure.
Departure Delta 1646.
Delta 1255, Victor Loop. $1565, clear to land 26 right, wind 32015. There, 5317, Bravo 4, cross 26 left, Echo, ground point 9, traffic hold.
Left Bravo 4, Echo.
Delta 2440 at November 5, cross 27.
American Maintenance 200, departure in, cross 26 right, Victor Loop, ground point 9, traffic 2 out.
Got a 104, you guys just taxi in a 9 traffic break for you now. You got a 3041 Papa, can you make the turn to get the Tango? Very good, got a 3041, thank you, cross 27 at the Tango, Lima, ground point 75, good day. Got a 2420, contact departure, good day.
Delta 1346, cross 26 left, Echo, ground point 9.
Cross 26 left, Echo, ground point 9, Delta 1346.
Set of 365